Welcome to the Faster, Easier, Better show with your hosts LeeSilber and Ellen Goodwin.
Welcome to another episode of the Faster, Easier, Better show. I'm your co-host Ellen Goodwin, along with my co-host
Lee. Four.
Today is the first episode of our 4x4 series. We're going to give you 4 ideas in 4 episodes to be more efficient and effective in 4 different areas of your home. Boom. That's like a 4x4x4.
And in 4 minutes. No, that's not going to happen.
We're never that. We're not. But it is going to be a very focused episode, each of the next 4 episodes, about some part of your home where you can be more efficient, and it's stuff that you can do starting right away. Right?
You're absolutely. Is that my cue? Did I miss my cue?
You're like
start now?
You're nodding your head. And when I was a kid, my mom would go, "We can't hear you. You don't have bells in your head." So
yeah. Whenever I'm in court, that's what they say. You got to speak yes or no.
Exactly.
I'm never in court. All right. I'm ready.
So today, we're going to start with the kitchen because, hey, we all have kitchens, and we're probably spending a lot of time in the kitchen these days, whether it's we're actually cooking or just foraging for whatever might be in the fridge. So, Lee, what's your first idea?
Well, many of the best efficiency ideas come out of being lazy. Like
you have said that before.
I hate doing this. I want to find a way to do it faster so it doesn't take so damn long. Oh, I said damn. Sorry about that. So my thing is Perrier. I know that even saying it, I sound very
elitist.
I say it feminine. But yeah. But Perrier, I love it. I love Perrier. Sparkling waters of all kinds, just love them. But Perrier comes in a pack of 10, right? So you got to take each one out, put it in the fridge, right? There's a faster way. I'm going to tell you what it is. This could work with a 12-pack of beer. This could work with your soda. Whatever. And so if it comes in that pack, if you picture it it's like a rectangular box, and they're all
right. Yeah.
And so you just open both ends, right? Put it on the shelf, and then push them through and pull the box out, and then they're all neatly stacked on the shelf in like a second. That's so awesome. Much faster than taking each one out.
Okay. I like it. My idea is to label everything, and then if you're storing stuff, make sure it's in a container you can see through, or a clear container, so that you don't have to spend the time, especially if you're finding something in like the pantry or a cupboard and you're looking like, is this sugar? Is it salt? You have to open it up and look inside.
Are these my edibles?
If it's clear.
Wrong thing. These look like cookies. Yummy.
Not what I'm talking about.
Oh.
But if it's clear and it's got a label, you can easily just, this is the sugar, pull it off the shelf. Same thing, you want to label things if you put them in the refrigerator, leftovers. It's a good idea to slap a label on those and slap the date on it as well. So you can say, we cooked this on Wednesday, and we probably should have eaten it like 4 days ago.
Yeah, I'm a germaphobe and a dataphobe, meaning I won't eat anything past the expiration date. And I know it's fine. It's fine.
Right.
You have a few days of leeway.
Yeah.
But no, especially with things like yogurt or eggs or milk. I'm like, there's a reason they put the date up, but you're right. Like if you wrap something in aluminum foil, you can just write with a Sharpie right on the expiration date. Good idea.
Idea number 3, yours.
Oh, is it my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. It's called a dishwasher, but it's really just a washer. And so if you have hats, like you go out and you golf, or actually you don't get sweaty golfing. Maybe you do, but whatever it is, tennis, you can take your hat, put it in the dishwasher, clean it, and it still has the sharpness of the bill. I mean, it doesn't lose its shape. And once the hat's in there, you don't want your dishes in there. So you might as well
No.
throw your flip-flops in. You can throw in your shower head, that gets kind of corrosion
Oh
on it,
yeah.
the hard water. Just unscrew it, put it in, cleans it right up. You know what I'm saying? There's mouth guards for the kids' sports, all that. We do one wash with all that stuff in there, and it's amazing. It is just amazing.
That is genius. Do you know that they also make uh, plastic, they're like forms that you put your hat in, so it makes sure that you keep your brim, and then you can put them in the dishwasher, so it holds the form even better.
Well, another tip is put vinegar in a baggie and then put it around your shower head and just tape it.
Yeah.
For a while, and that also would clean it without having to
Yeah,
unscrew
but
it.
it's easier. Take it off and put it in the dishwasher. I like it. So my fourth idea is that think in ripples when it comes to organizing your kitchen. I would say stand where you do the most work in your kitchen. Stand in that place and make sure that if at hand's reach, you could grab the tools you use the most. And if there's stuff in that area that you don't use as much, move it out further. So the stuff you use the most should be the closest to you, and it should ripple out. Stuff you use, let's say weekly, that's somewhat closer. Stuff that you use like seasonally, that big tray that you might put a turkey on for Christmas and Thanksgiving, that doesn't need to be taking counter space or cupboard space that's close in. You move it out. So think in ripples when it comes to putting your kitchen together.
Yeah, I would love to own a coffee shop. It's one of my dreams.
Yeah.
But the reality is it's not going to happen. But I have like a little coffee shop in the kitchen where all that stuff is, right next to the coffee maker and the espresso maker and so it's just kind of easy to get to because that's an everyday thing. So I agree with you.
Yeah.
Ripples.
Ripples. Think in ripples. All right. So that's our first 4x4 in the kitchen. Do the lazy thing with the cans of soda or Perrier. Label everything. Run the dishwasher with not dishes, but cool things, and think in ripples. Now, the one thing we want you to do is we want you to subscribe, like, and review us, and then be back next week for another episode of the 4x4 series. See you then.